Welcome to Math 152. My name is Ms. Miller and I'll be your instructor this semester. The purpose of this video is twofold. The first is to show you around Blackboard. You'll get to watch and click along with me. And the second is to put a face with the name behind all the emails and communication you'll be receiving this semester. So let's take a look at our Blackboard page. The first place you need to go is the Getting Started tab. There are two documents that you'll need to read carefully to get started with the course. The first is the Master Course Syllabus, which gives the student learning outcomes, prerequisites, and all the basic information that's common to all Math 152 courses. The second is the Instructor Syllabus that gives information specific to our section, including my contact information, office hours, and grading guidelines. After reading the two syllabus documents, you will want to take a look at the other buttons on Blackboard: the course content, the assignments, and course tools. We'll be utilizing all of these buttons throughout the course. But the next thing you'll want to do after carefully reading the syllabus and taking a look around our Blackboard page is to complete the first assignment. That assignment is the mandatory course entry quiz. You have to complete this by September 2nd in order to stay in the course. Then, the next thing you'll want to do is go ahead and click into the discussion board forums, and I have a discussion board page set up for your introductions. So take a look at the Using the Discussion Board video if you are new to using those, and then you will make a post introducing yourself and then also replying to at least one post that a classmate makes. Alright guys, you'll be getting more information from me as our class gets underway. I will talk to you soon.